How to acquire a multi-channel fluorescence image with Labscope and smart microscopy. If you work with fluorescently labeled cells or other samples that contain multiple fluorophores, easy image acquisition in independent channels and the overlay thereof is highly desired. Especially with manual microscopes, this procedure can be cumbersome. Imagine there would be an easy and effortless way to acquire up to 4 fluorescence channels and 1 transmitted light channel. Here is how it works. All you need is a smart fluorescence microscope, such as ZEISS Axioscope 5 with Colibri 3 or Axiolab 5, in combination with the microscope camera Axiocam 202 Mono and the imaging app Labscope. Opt for the multi-channel module. Then switch on the microscope and start Labscope. Choose the first fluorescence channel. Place your sample on the stage and focus. Set exposure time, light intensity of the active fluorescence LED, and configure a false color. Then press Snap. Change the channel, refocus if necessary, and repeat the procedure until all channels are acquired. Illumination and exposure settings are memorized for each channel. You can revisit a channel and easily overwrite it. Once you are done, accept the result. The full metadata, including scaling information, is stored with the image. With the one key mode, the system will automatically acquire the previously defined channels with the channel-specific settings. With the multi-channel module in Labscope, you can adapt the histogram, compare separate channels, and even include them in a report. For further information, visit our website